welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a beautiful 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS convertible. Pretty car, guys. This car was actually restored by a buddy of mine out of Tennessee. It's an original North Carolina car. He built the car for a cruise-in. It was going to be the giveaway car at the cruise-in, and unfortunately they canceled the cruise, so lucky me, I got to buy the car from him. But gorgeous car. This is a factory color combo. Madeira maroon is the color on the outside, and then it's got the factory black vinyl interior. Great car. Like I said, he started with just a rock solid North Carolina car, and then he finished it. Brand new paint on the car. He actually pulled the subframe off, so it's got all brand new bushings on it, all brand new front disc brakes. He's added air. It's got a 327, 300 horse, 67 date coated engine in it. Muncie 4-speed trans. Again, I think I told you he added AC. He actually added, it's got the Detroit Speed hideaway headlight kit on it. But great car. There's a couple of things. I believe we've done something accidentally. The hideaways aren't working, and they do work, guys. So I don't know if we've accidentally unplugged something, but I don't want to hold up the video. I'm just going to go ahead and shoot it. But we'll make, like I say, that's all brand new in there. It's a Detroit Speed wiring kit, so we'll make sure it's working. And we could have popped a fuse. I'm not real sure. Could be something just really silly too. Again, factory Madeira maroon car. Pretty paint. Of course, it's a metallic. It's got the white nose stripe. Car's got like 80,000 original miles. It's a really good car. You can see the dash is nice. A lot of this is original. Obviously, they've recovered the seats, but I think most of the other stuff that you're going to see a lot. The trim's original. Seat belts, carpet, I believe, is original. It's got a manual top. Top's in great shape. Again, you can see this trim here is original on the car. Pretty paint. One of the only things I don't like is that they left the jam. It's got the original paint in the jam. I know some people like to see that, and it is kind of cool. You can see what kind of car it was. Sorry, guys, just a little smudge there. All brand new bezels. I should turn a little bit. Yeah, it's smudged a little bit. But nice car. Nice and flat down the sides. All brand new Nitto rubber all the way around it. American Racing torque thrust. I love the knockoff spinner. Those things are about 300 bucks. New bumpers, the original bumperettes. You can see you can nitpick those a little bit. Car is nice and flat down the sides. Really good car. Again, brand new Americans. Those spinners I think are just super cool. I like the car. Pretty car. Nice driver. All brand new front disc brakes. He added those. Car would have came factory with drums. You see the paint. Paint slick as can be. Now, this is not the original engine. My buddy's had this, Scott's had this engine, he said, I think that's for like 30 years. It's a 67 date coated 327, 300 horse engine. Now he just went all through it, and he said he's had the engine sitting around, but he built it for this car. Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock interior, I'm sorry, Edelbrock interior. Edelbrock intake, factory exhaust manifolds, power steering, brand new power front disc brakes, HEI distributor. You can see it's got the chrome air cleaner and valve covers. That's vintage AC. I believe it's the R134. It is. Muncie 4-speed manual trans. Car sits good. Got a real good look to it. Pretty paint. Again, I believe all this stuff's original. The car's only got, I think it's 87,000 miles on it, if I remember right. Boy, those are pretty doggone nice. These might be original. Yeah, that's too new. Those are original. Doors are nice and clean. These are the original door pads. Again, original carpet, original sill plates. Bucket seats, got the Muncie shifter in it, factory RS steering wheel. Yeah, 87,020 miles. That's the original miles on this car. AM radio. I think it powers up. I don't know if we actually got it to get a station, but it does power up. Dual exhaust, 10-bolt 323 rear end. I don't know if I'm hip about this. They left this. I know some people like to see this. It's such a pretty car. You know, if it's something you can't live with, I've got a guy down the street that actually suited it. But this is the original. That's the original paint in the jam. That's pretty doggone nice. Again, if you don't like that, I do have a guy who can you know, shoot that in there and just do it in the factory color. But again, it is kind of cool. It tells you what kind of car you're dealing with. Look at the seams. There's never any rust in this car. It's got the original shaker weights in it. Original boot. These things stink. You can see it's all spackle coated in the trunk. Spare. I can't remember if there's a jack or not. Again, that's your original paint in there. As I get my fingerprints all over it. Good car. Like I say, if you're looking for a nice driver, convertible with air. Car's clean underneath. Floors are nice. And like I say, he had his guys at the shop pull the complete subframe on it and redo the whole front end. Nice car. Jordan, you can go ahead and put that top up real quick. It's a manual top, guys. Again, the seats are nice. That way I'll come around real quick and just get the top. Dash is nice, and again, I believe obviously he's added the vent there for the AC. The vents are new. Yeah, good. Again, manual convertible top. Plastic rear window. Operates very easy. It's a one-man operation. It's not hard to do. Door handle, shoulder. You can go ahead and start it. Yeah. 8-pillar chrome is really nice for this car for being original too, man. Again, good running car. AC blows cold. Little belt noise on it. Good car, like I say, really hits the road good. Like I say, we'll make sure those doggone hideaways are, I don't know if we've unplugged something while we were cleaning the car up or what we've done. Could have just popped the fuse too. Fuel gauge works. Parking brake? Yep. Parking brake does work, guys. Backup lights work. That radio does power up, right? Radio, yeah, it powers up. Blower motor works. Doors open and close real nice. Wipers are functional. Again, we'll check out the headlights work. This car's can be a pain in the butt sometime. Yeah. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. There's a little button here at the bottom. You can click on it. That way you get a notification every time I post one of these videos. Look how pretty that car is, man. Pretty car.